Hey, Marketing 420 online course for the summer 2017. Uh, Welcome, and we're going to be talking about a little bit of what you're going to be doing for the next 10 weeks. If you guys get a chance, make sure to pull down the PowerPoint that is in course content on Blackboard. It's your class first week for 420, and kind of put a PowerPoint together to kind of take you through what's going on. So um, let's talk about the course introduction and what you're going to be doing there. All right. So certainly, um, when you go through those slides, we'll talk about the course overview, talk about Blackboard a little bit, talk about your syllabus, the course schedule, your final projects, and then kind of give you some hints and tips on how to kind of move forward. Um, One of the most important things in this course is that you make sure that you get the proper text. If you go into um, Blackboard under um, textbooks, you'll see that there's two primary books that we'll be using over the next couple weeks. Um, the Developing an Integrated Marketing Plan is actually the book that I put together for this course specifically to kind of help you through your final project. So that's certainly one that you're going to need since you guys will be doing individual projects. And then your McGraw-Hill book will take you through the Learn Smart process to kind of help you in that situation. So in this course, from a theory perspective, we'll talk about the integrated marketing process, and you'll get that through your McGraw-Hill. We'll talk about the communication process. We'll talk about how you kind of put together objectives and strategies. You'll do some media planning, some media strategy, and then media evaluation. So that's kind of the theory of kind of conceptualizing what you're going to be doing within uh, the advertising and promotions from the marketing mix standpoint. On the practical side, you're going to be um, working and researching your brand. You'll do an evaluation, um, and certainly from a communication standpoint, you're going to be writing about and putting together your papers on this particular brand and pulling together your integrated marketing communication plan. And you're going to solve a problem, okay, that's out there in the industry today with that brand by going through and using the marketing analysis to kind of help you kind of pull those together. So, I'm using big words right now, so don't get caught up with that. Certainly, um, going through the practical process, you'll learn what you need to do. Um, the most important document that you'll have in this course is that syllabus. Okay, you'll look at your course goals and outcomes there. It will cover all your course materials that you will need. It'll talk a little bit about Learn Smart and Connect with McGraw-Hill, how important that is. Your grading and your points. This is 1,000-point course. So as you're going through and you see your points accumulating, just know that the total points will be 1,000 points there. Um, Also in the syllabus, I've included the course schedule. That course schedule is there to kind of help you see what's out there in the future. But I will tell you that Blackboard will always be the key to um, the proper dates that you'll need to kind of help you through that process. So there might be some different dates in the course schedule that's on Blackboard because things might have changed throughout the next 10 weeks. Certainly, academic honesty is very important. We will take you through. I know you're writing these papers, so plagiarism is a big issue, and I want to make sure you guys kind of stay away from that process. Um, Again, Blackboard, um, get familiar with those red tabs. Certainly announcements, I'll do weekly announcements. Course content, you want to check that regularly. That's where your assignments will be posted. That will give your weekly task. You'll also have the course schedule there, again, to kind of take you through what's happening throughout the class. Your discussions, you'll have bi-weekly discussion boards that will get you integrated with your classmates on a conversation that will take place in the advertising and promotional aspects that are out there. Extra credit. Some of you guys like to do extra credit. You look at the extra credit tab to see whether that information there is relevant to you, whether you want to do extra credit or not. I provide a significant amount of extra credit in the class, so I would advise you to take care of it. Your final project, part 1, 2, 3, and 4, that's where you'll get the information about your final project. Certainly your Learn Smart assignments. Those are your weekly assignments that you'll have through McGraw-Hill to kind of help you go through the book. You'll have an MKG 420 library guide there. That guide is to help you with your research for your weekly papers. And then you've got a tab there for syllabus and technology help desk, and finally the textbook information. So any information you need in regards to the types of resources you need is there on Blackboard for you. So certainly get familiar with that and go through that process to make sure you understand those. The final project. So your final project, there will be under the final project tab, there will be a PowerPoint there that kind of discusses in totality what the final project is about. But certainly you will get an opportunity to select one of the brands that I have in the slides, and you'll pick one of those brands and you will do the research, and you'll go through these weekly exercises to kind of help you take you through completing an integrated marketing communication plan. So looking forward to seeing what you guys are going to put together there. But there will be more information under your final project tab that kind of breaks that down. Okay, and then finally, just a hint for everybody in the class, make sure you're organized, okay? Then stay organized, pay attention to the course content, the announcements, the due dates. Don't get behind, try and stay ahead of the game. Take ownership of your work, and certainly there's no excuses. Okay, so again, I'm Professor Harvey, and I'll be facilitating this class for you throughout this term, and certainly looking forward to helping you increase your knowledge in the integrated marketing space. Thank you.